Okay, my friends, so in this video we're going to over a live trade signal that's just occurred on BTC. Okay, it's a sell signal that I just got the alert for. You can see in the alert log on Tradingview here. It is sell BTC, and the alert just happened there. You can see it 38,967 to close this candle. Okay, it's in real time. We have entered the position on Binance Futures. You can see the trade that I'm in at the minute, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's around break even at the minute. We'll see how this position goes. The stop loss will be, okay, we'll look to get out of this position if it goes above 40 on my card, just above this high here, which is yesterday's high, or sorry, today's high. The take profit will be the alternative bands area, or if an opposite signal occurs. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so real-time trade. Price come inside the bands area here, and it's slightly just outside it here. Okay, these are good signals. It's a few bars after the high, so we'll see what happens.